The management of Ballard Microbrew is considering the purchase of a new automated bottling machine for $120,000. The machine would replace an old piece of equipment that cost $30,000 per year to operate. The new machine would cost only $12,000 per year to operate. The old machine currently in use could be sold now for a scrap value of $40,000. The new machine would have a useful life of 10 years with no salvage value. Compute the simple rate of return on the new automated bottling machine. We need to begin by calculating the annual depreciation expense on the new machine. That's going to be the new machine's initial cost of $120,000. And since there's no salvage value, we'll simply divide that by the 10-year estimated life. The annual depreciation expense on the new machine will be $12,000. This means purchasing the new machine will increase our annual net operating income by $6,000. Again, the old machine cost $30,000. The new machine will have operating costs of $12,000 and depreciation expense of $12,000. So the difference is $6,000. To calculate our initial investment, we're going to take the cost of our new machine, $120,000, and add to it the cash inflow that we'll receive from scrapping or salvaging our old machine today. So our initial investment is $80,000. Thus, the simple rate of return on our investment will be our $6,000 annual net operating income divided by our $80,000 initial investment, or 7.5%.